everybody, it's Celestia and welcome to A Crafter's Story. So I have joined Jovi from Creating with Jovi, and she has a swap and glue for February, and so one of my swap partners is Anna. It's Anna, I've got her here, Anna Martin, and she sent me all these lovely collage goodies, and I thought, I haven't done a sunflower collage in a while, and she sent me this lovely little card as well and it says, "Dear Celeste, thank you for being my February 2026 swap and glue partner. I hope you like what I sent. Blessings, Anna." And Anna, I absolutely love what you sent. I'm a little excited because when I looked at your papers that you sent, my first thought was sunflower. And I know that maybe looking at the pinks and greens, like, where did you get sunflower from, Celeste? Well, my head's a scary place. So I just think these papers are amazing. So look at these beautiful patterns. And so there is all this lovely blue. And the wording, I'm going to be able to use some of these words as well. Maybe not in this particular collage, but in future ones, so that might be a little more sunflowery. Very lovely, and just beautiful pages, and they thick pages as well, which I absolutely love. So thank you very much, Anna. Oh my gosh, that water just looks so inviting. Oh, that's cute. Very cute. That definitely is another collage. So I'm going to be able to get quite a bit. I'm going to use, this is a sort of yellowy color that's going to be nice to use. And so I'm going to go off camera and cut out all my pieces, and then I'll come back. There's some beautiful yellow. Definitely some orange will be nice. Yep, there's almost like petals there, right? Okay, some beauty. Oh, maybe I can use some of the wording, maybe some of the comments. Very nice. All these grays are nice. Yeah, so much possibility. Hey, okay, look at all this. Oh, that's a pretty pattern there on the dress. And then when I saw this page, I thought, I'm going to keep this one and replace the image, and then that one and replace the image. This one's a little cut off, but maybe I can do something where I can add the side back in. These are just cute little frames. I think, and I love them. What we love these frames. All these lovely grays. I love the grays. They're so pretty. And then, oh, cute little guy. So let's see, what else do we have? Just lots and lots of possibility here, you guys. The stripes are lovely. Oh, all this color. Oh, and look at all these. Let me bring it up a little bit. Look at all that. There's I think that's a beetroot and olive and avo and wheat, and oh, so many possibilities. And then this is a lovely. I like this so much as well, and it's double-sided. So I'm going to go off camera, do a little bit of cutting, and then I'll show you quickly how I do my sunflower collage. Okie dokie, I am ready. I think that I've got enough petals cut out. And so what I've done is I've got a little bit of watercolor paper here. It's what I use for my cardstock. It's just that I like this paper. I've folded it in half, and this is going to be a greeting card eventually. And then I did go, remember I showed you that really pretty pattern. I took my 2-inch punch, punched a hole, and I used it. I'm going to use it in a collage, but I also first used it as my stencil, and then just kind of more or less eyeballed the middle and the half a circle and drew that out. And then I measured it out, it's about 3 fingers, and started measuring out, and just for the most part I got this evenly. Came along here, made sure that I was on the outside of my 3 fingers, which I'm kind of but there is my I suppose you could call it my stencil, my collage stencil. I have got my Liquid Dex matte gel here. Glue stick, Mod Podge, any of that stuff's going to be just fine. I'm actually just trying to use this stuff up because I don't think I really use it that much. And so this little bit that I've got here, I'm going to just use up. So I'm going to put it on everywhere. Kind of using it as my glue, I suppose you could say. And then I'm going to work from the outside in. So really doesn't matter what color I start with. So let me go with a sort of orangey color, and I'm going to try to, whoops, come back, spread out my petals evenly. I don't know. I really hope I have enough. Oh my gosh. Oh well, we will see. Let's see. And if I don't have, it's this outside ring that's going to take up probably the most. So, okay, I've got 2 left over. I'll stick them over there. Let's see. Maybe I can use these big pink ones to fill in the outside gaps. Oh man, I don't have enough. Oh wait, I've got another pink one over there. I'm going to steal from this stash here because I just need 2 like that. Okay. A little bit of that Mod Podge glue matte medium stuff, and I'm going to need a little bit of that. Go down and get it all down like so. All right, guys, I think maybe I should stop talking and just keep sticking, right? Okay, well, I added a little bit extra. I put the love here, and then this kind of looked a little empty to me. And I thought, so I went through all my papers that Anna sent me and found this. And in the original message, it said healing, but I replaced it with love. And so now I've got quite a lot of Mod Podge on here, and I'm going to wait for it to dry and see if I've got any bits that are lifting. But for now, I'm just going to cut off these little excess bits that stick out like that, and over here, and then my card is finished, and I will put it in my card stash for when I need it. And then I thought maybe I should round out the corners. See if I can. Oh gosh, it only just goes through all this paper. I don't know if I'm gonna get the second one. Yes, I got it. Oh, only one side. Wait, try that again. Okay, great. All right, yeah, I think that finished it off. So there you go. I'll bring it up for a little flyby. I think these flowers are always just so gorgeous because there's all those different colors and textures and gorgeousness. All right, you guys, thank you so much for sticking around to the end with me and going on this collage journey. And Anna, thank you for sending all these fantastic papers. And Jovi, also thank you so much because you prompt us all to be creative and to put out these collages and collaborate and to build a community. And for that, I'm also thankful. So thank you, everybody, and I'll see you next time. Bye.